So hello everyone, welcome back to Oliveboard's Agri Coaching. And as promised, I'm back again with previous year questions. For all the students who demanded कि sir government schemes का session लाओ, sir please current affairs 6 month का session लाओ. For all those students, government schemes का session 6 months has been already uploaded on the channel. ठीक है, आज हम देखेंगे लास्ट ईयर हमारा. So we have almost completed. Tomorrow our PYQ question series will end. So we started with 2022 sorry, 2023 मतलब इस साल का ही पेपर बता दिया मैंने. So we started with 2022 and we finished with 2015. तो almost सारे PYQ analysis हमने कर लिए. ठीक है. So today last year जो हमारा है उसका डिस्कशन करते. 6 months का वीडियो ऑलरेडी मैंने कहा आपको, मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है. गो चेक. ऑलमोस्ट 20-30 गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स को ऐसे हमने डिस्ट्रॉय किया है. कोर टू एग्रीकल्चर एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट 15 इंपॉर्टेंट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स लेक्चर के स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने कवर कर लिया. सो इन टोटल 40+ स्कीम्स मैंने कवर कर लिए अपने एग्रीकल्चर और रूरल डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड. ठीक है, अब उसमें आप यू कैन वॉच दैट वीडियो एंड ऑफ कोर्स विद इन 1 hour 15 minutes ऑल द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स हैव बीन कवर्ड. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. टिल प्लांटर इज नॉट यूज्ड फॉर व्हाट? Growing crops in mountainous region, preventing soil erosion, growing crops in waterlogged region, growing crops in barren regions, and all of these. These are your options, and I hope that this question would be very easy for you. Kyunki, see, of course, this instrumentation which we are talking about, till planter, related to tillage, primary, secondary tillage. Yes, from that only the name is coming, till planter. I'll show you the image also. But what is it not used for? Okay, so it would be very easy for you to chalk out which option we can remove from it. So growing crops in mountainous region, preventing soil erosion, growing crops in waterlogged region, growing crops in barren region, and all of these. What should be the answer here? हेलो, यस, इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा बताओ भाई. Okay, so as already discussed, 6 month government schemes have been uploaded on the channel. We have covered almost previous year questions from 2022 to 2015, and now the only thing which has remained is the last year paper, that is 2015 previous year question. Today we will be looking at 25 questions. Our first question has been given here. Till planter is not used for what? So of course, tillage is always for your seed bed preparation. So it may be related to growing the crops, and planter is nothing but planting crops. So this starts your tillage is used for, or maybe till planter is used for growing crops on different topographical lands. So that's how the answer here would be to prevent soil erosion. Whenever tillage activity is there, some part or some form of soil erosion will always taken place associated with the upper surface of the land. So that is why here the answer would be preventing soil erosion. Also tomorrow at 6 p.m. we will have our final Oliveboard live test, which we all will solve together. So come join me and we will try to solve and see how much we can score. Next, so the answer here is preventing soil erosion. This is your what? Till planter. Next, the publisher of Indian Journal of Fertilizer is NAFED, ICAR, NABARD, NFL and FAI. Which organization is responsible for publishing Indian Journal of Fertilizers? So the answer here, what would be publisher of Indian Journal of Fertilizer? What is the answer here? So the answer here is FAI. Okay. So monthly journal आपका निकलता है फर्टिलाइजर एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया. अगर किसी को भी पता नहीं है कि FAI का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, if anyone is not knowing about, it's fine. Okay. So here ICR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, NABARD, of course, are main rural development and financial institution. NFL is nothing but a private fertilizer limited company, and NAFED is nothing but related to your agricultural like exports. Okay. So here when we are talking about Indian Journal on Fertilizers is been given by Fertilizer Association of India, FAI. Which seed rate should be adopted for major crops grown for the fodder purposes? So here seed rate has been asked again. $20 kg per hectare, 8 kg per hectare, 25 kg per hectare, 12 kg per hectare, 50 kg per hectare. What would be the answer here? Okay, Natarajan is saying 25 kg per hectare. Anyone else? So the answer here is 50 kg per hectare. It's not 25. Good try. Yes, Didi M Das 50. You were correct. What is seed rate? How to calculate seed rate? So it is quantity of the seed sown per unit area. Okay. So seed rate depends upon the spacing or plant population. Okay. Test weight and germination percentage. When we talk about seed rate, it is nothing but first is plant population PP. So plant population into your number of seeds, plant population into number of seeds into your test weight. Okay. Then is germination percentage into your purity percentage. Okay. So in this way, this becomes your formula of your seed rate. Okay. So seed rate, quantity of seed sown per unit area. Next, back hurt and hollow hurt in potato occurs due to what? Environmental conditions, overuse of fertilizer, rodents, bacterial infection and nutrient deficiency. We have talked about it yesterday only. So black hurt or hollow heart disease, this is associated with deficiency of carbon dioxide. So this is your black heart. It is because of the environmental condition, not nutrient deficiency. Really very sorry. It is because of the environmental condition. So try to understand here, environmental condition is nothing but here scarcity of CO2 is there. That means in environmental condition, CO2 is not available. So that is why this black heart and hollow heart disease occurs in potato. I thought it is CO2 deficiency, but nutrient deficiency are only associated with the minerals, macronutrients and micronutrients, in which the carbon dioxide will not take place. So therefore nutrient deficiency would be wrong here. Rather environmental condition would be correct. Okay. So here try to be very cautious. even see, now look at me, take my example. Now I knew that because of carbon dioxide unavailability at lower temperatures, when at cold storages, when we do the storage of potato, here black heart or hollow heart disease can occur in the potato. Now why it occurs? Because of the scarcity or unavailability of the CO2 at lower temperatures. Now even when I know this, I may fall into the fallacy of these two options becoming very, very similar. So be vigilant enough, okay? Environmental condition where CO2 is unavailable. Nutrient deficiencies in the sense scarcity of a particular macronutrient or micronutrient. So now let us talk about our next question, the finest and most popular variety of mandarin orange. So mandarin, all the oranges whatever are there, and mandarin oranges, all those oranges which originate from your Eastern Asiatic region. So when we talk about mandarin oranges, which is the most finest and most populous variety? And again I'll give you a hint also. This type of orange we are talking about, it is the most sweetest orange which has been seen. So Clementine, Encore, Mediterranean, Maltese and Satsuma. Okay. I think here the answer would be Clementine. Okay. According to me, the answer should be Clementine. Your answers please mention in the comment section. We will then move to the answer. Okay. So that is why you should not get carried away and you should be present at a moment. देखो कैसा एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन था यहाँ पर, मुझे इसका पता भी था आंसर क्या आएगा, CO2 डिफिशियंसी, पर देखो आई वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट, मैं प्रेजेंट नहीं था यहाँ पर, मुझे दिखा न्यूट्रिएंट डिफिशियंसी, मैंने ठोक दिया आंसर. ऐसा हो सकता है आपके साथ भी. जब ऐसे ब्लंडर्स होते हैं तो इट्स अ ग्रेट चांस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, इससे सीखो भाई, क्योंकि ये एग्जाम में बहुत बार मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. आई डोंट वांट इट टू हैपन विथ यू गाइस. सिंपल सी बात है, लुक एट इट, एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस, अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ CO2, न्यूट्रिएंट डिफिशियंसी, वेरी वेरी सिमिलर ऑप्शंस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, एंड द आंसर इज क्लेमेंटाइन ओनली. एक बार मैंडरिन ऑरेंजेस को एक बार देख लेते हैं. ठीक है. सो अल्टीमेट गाइड टू विंटर ऑरेंजेस एंड टेंजरेंस. फर्स्ट इज योर नेवल ऑरेंजेस, मोस्ट कॉमन वैरायटी होती है ये. ओके. वेलेंसिया ऑरेंजेस बेस्ट फॉर जूसेस. ठीक है. ब्लड ऑरेंजेस बेस्ट ईटन स्ट्रेट. कैराकारा ऑरेंजेस वेरी वेरी स्वीट. कुमक्वाट्स सोर विथ एडिबल पील्स. Clementines great for snacks. Okay, and scalability is also large. That means overall globe world, these are very famous and very popular. Tangerine sweet, the juice is sweeter, and your oranges are mostly made up of tangerines. Okay, but this sweetness is followed by little bit tangy taste. Next, Sevilla oranges perfect for marmalades. Now listen to me very carefully. Most of these oranges, when we look at, oranges originate from two regions. First is Asiatic region and Eastern Asiatic region, and second is your Mediterranean region. Okay, citrus fruit originating from these. Pramalini, Vikram and Chakradhar are varieties of what? Papaya, apple, lime, guava and pear. Anybody? It's very easy example. See, now Pramalini I don't know about. Okay, Vikram also I don't know about, but one thing I definitely know, Chakradhar ये आपकी lime की variety है. ठीक है. Now this is how you should be honest with yourself also. आपको क्या पता है, क्या नहीं पता है, what you know, what you don't know, and then if you don't know something, you can read excess about it. Okay. So here Chakradhar is lime, so I will like to go with lime only, and that's correct answer. So look here, Vikram, here it has been given Vikram, Pramilani, Phool Sharbati, Sai Sharbati, Bahar, Chakradhar. This I had read one time. So acid lime seedlings, PKM, Balaji, etc. So यहाँ से आप definitely we can give the answer. Next, Trichogramma is dash, an insect, and biopesticide, and mutant variety of wheat, a fungal variety, or none of these. Yes, trichogram is an variety associated with what? Natarajan saying biopesticide. So see here, mutant variety of wheat, it will not be there. If it is there, we'll be knowing about it, right? For example, dwarf variety. We all knew that dwarf variety of rice, wheat, what are their different names. Fungal variety, if it was a fungal variety, we would have known it. So the answer will come between insect or biopesticide. I will go with insect. So the answer is insect only. Let's understand what is trichogramma. So it is an wasp. Now you all would be knowing about honeybees जैसे होते हैं वैसे ही wasp होता है, but bigger in size. So it is an wasp like insect, okay, and they lay their eggs in the eggs of insect pest. तो ये क्या करते हैं, अपने eggs दूसरे insects के eggs में lay करते हैं, ठीक है. So parasitic egg bearers होते हैं ये, शुगर केन बोरर्स, कट वॉर्म्स, इनके एग्स में ये, आपके बॉल वॉर्म्स, इनके एग्स में ये अपने अंडे बोते हैं, ठीक है. छोटे छोटे वॉस्प्स होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ओनियन वैरायटी सुटेबल फॉर खरीफ क्रॉप. खरीफ ओनियन वैरायटी जो खरीफ सीजन में आप प्लांट कर सकते हो, यू कैन प्लांट इट इन खरीफ सीजन. भीमा श्वेता, भीमा सुपर, पूसा रिद्धि, बोथ एएनसी एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज, ठीक है. यस, tell me. See, Bhima Shweta, Bhima Super, Pusa Riddhi, both ANC and all of these. Now we have to be very sure. All these three are your onion varieties. But खरीफ आपके सीजन में कौन सा ग्रो किया जाता है, that matters a lot. So here the answer should be Bhima Super, neither Bhima Shweta, neither Pusa Riddhi. Okay, ANC also. So that is why you have to know the answers very clearly. There shouldn't be even a single doubt when the answer is there. So Bhima Super, this is your Bhima Super. How you distinctively can say Bhima Super? It has little bit whatever its shell is there or the outer covering is there, that is more darker in color. Okay, so more darkish layer or amber color. Okay, in India, micro propagation in fruit crops is most common and popular in which type of plantation crops? Guava, apple, banana, mango and jackfruit. If you have read at least basic about horticultural crop, see, micro propagation is very well known in banana. Okay, micro propagation कहां पर होता है, कौन से क्रॉप में होता है, बनाना में होता है. तो इसका आंसर बनाना आएगा आपका, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द वे इन विच माइक्रो प्रोपोगेशन इज डन. व्हाट इट मींस माइक्रो प्रोपोगेशन मतलब आप बनाना का कोई भी पार्ट या फिर कोई भी ऑफ कोर्स प्रोप्यूल निकाल के या फिर अपाइकल शूट निकालकर आप उसको इवन ऐसे स्मॉल एरिया में, इवन ऐसे स्मॉल सेक्शन में, स्मॉल आपके पॉट में आप उसका प्रोपोगेशन कर सकते हो. यू कैन ग्रो अ स्मॉल ट्विग ऑफ बनाना इन योर स्मॉल पॉट्स और योर स्मॉल अदर सेक्शंस, ठीक है. तो इसको आप माइक्रो प्रोपोगेशन कह सकते हो. बनाना ग्रो किया जाता है, दूसरा कोई भी प्लांट आप नहीं देख सकते कि माइक्रो प्रोपोगेशन से ग्रो होता है, ठीक है. कॉमन इन बनाना ओनली. इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पल्स रिसर्च इज लोकेटेड वेयर? चंडीगढ़, कानपुर, भोपाल, करनाल एंड जोधपुर. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में इफ यू आर नॉट नोइंग समथिंग, इट इज वेरी वाइज एंड इट्स माय एडवाइस कि आप आगे चले जाइए. ओके, यू मूव फॉरवर्ड. If you don't know Indian Institute of Pulse Research, there are thousands of institutes which come under ICAR, where there are thousands of institutes which are different from ICAR, and every institute's location, to know it and to recite it, it would become such a cumbersome job. So that's why you have to be very clear. The answer here is Kanpur. This is your Indian Institute of Pulse Research. Next, which nutrient deficiency is responsible for little leaf in mango and mottle leaf citrus? अब एक बात याद रखना, लिटिल लीफ मैंगो में आपने देखा है कि नहीं, आप मुझे नहीं पता, बट आई हैव डेफिनेटली सीन इट. आई विल शो यू द पिक्चर ऑल्सो. मॉटल लीफ ऑफ सिट्रस ऑल्सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू वुड हैव सीन. अगर नहीं देखा है तो उसका भी पिक्चर आई विल बी शोइंग यू. सो विच न्यूट्रिएंट डिफिशिएंसी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल? जिंक, फॉस्फोरस, कॉपर, मैग्नीशियम एंड आयोडीन. आई ऑलवेज टेल स्टूडेंट कि आप ना make a chart of deficiency vitamins and what are the diseases associated with those, sorry, not vitamins, nutrients. So and make the table of all the deficiency diseases related to macronutrient and micronutrients which are given, ठीक है. तो यहां पर आंसर आएगा आपका जिंक, ठीक है. सो योर मॉटल लीफ सिट्रस आई हैव शोन यू. सो एनी लीफ इफ यू सी, अगर उस लीफ पर इफ यू सी पैची अपीयरेंस of yellow and white stretches on that leaf, okay, white and yellow appearance between the veins or stretches on the which are moving from the inside of the leaf to its outer side. Okay, so this is your mottle leaf, and this generally you could see in citrus crops or citrus plants. Such mottle leaf feature or maybe characteristics could be seen only when zinc deficiency is there. Similarly, little leaf disease is also there in your mango, in which whatever your leaves are there, those are not broader, but their shape is crumbled. Okay, so these longitudinal leaves are formed. This is again because of your zinc deficiency. National Center for Organic Farming is located where? Again, similar type of question. Ghaziabad, Delhi, Bangalore, Guwahati, Gangtok. Should be knowing about which are the different locations of different organizations. So the answer will come here, Ghaziabad. This is your National Center for Organic Farming. It's located in Ghaziabad. Next, the movement and filtration of water through soil and permeable rock, it's termed as osmosis. No. Osmosis is what? It is nothing but movement of the solute or solvent based on its concentration or based on its potential. Okay. Percolation, sedimentation, neutralization. Neutralization is acid plus base becoming a neutral solution. So this also remove. Diffusion. What is diffusion? It is nothing but splitting up of elements when mixed in any solution. Sedimentation. It is nothing but the particles of higher specific gravity or higher density, they settle to the bottom of the solution. So percolation could be the correct answer. Percolation is nothing but seepage of water, okay, through the intermediate layers of the soil. Next, so this is your percolation which happens in the layers of the soil. Next, the pungency in uninjured garlic is due to presence of what? Alliinase, propyl disulfide, memordicoside, sulfur oxalate and tannin. So in your garlic, okay, two of these compounds are present and both are from naming A. Both start with the letter A. What are these? Can anybody tell in the comment section? So yes, alliinase is the correct answer, but in garlic 2 A compounds are there. These are your alliinase and alline. Both of these are your compounds which are present in your garlic, and both when they combine together you can see a garlic which has allicin. Okay, so this is the compound which is present, and pungency in uninjured garlic, this is because of this alliinase only. Okay, next, percolation, Ghaziabad, alliinase, very good. Next, little leaf in mango, again the question has been repeated. It is associated with zinc, we all know, and casual, so it is due to deficiency of what? So I did not show you the picture because now I'll be showing you the picture. It is related to zinc only, and this is your little leaf disease. So what happens is that longitudinal leaves are formed. This is your little leaf disease, as well as ये जो आप देखते हो यहाँ पर, ये आपके symptoms है little leaf disease के. Zinc is the correct answer. In North India, rivers are perennial. Perennial in the sense, of course, throughout the year they are flowing. Throughout the year. During the period of northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon, 6 month, whole year, both A and B. I'll go with whole year. ठीक है? I'll go with whole year. North India में जितनी भी rivers है, Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, all are perennial throughout the year. So throughout the year would be our correct answer. Next, Central Indian Fisheries Research Institute was established in which of the year? 1976, 1947, 1987, 1924 and 1979. Very important question, and again a very factual question. ठीक है, आपको पता है तो you can give the answer. If you don't know, then you can always move. So here the answer would be 1947. ये रहा आपका सेंट्रल इनलैंड फिशरीज रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट. अभी 2017 में ही उसकी प्लैटिनम जुबली हुई थी. तो यहां पर आप देख ही सकते हो कि कब इस्टेब्लिश हुआ, 1947. इसीलिए आप देख सकते हो कि 2017 में कितने साल हुए, इसको कितने हुए? ऑफ कोर्स 50 साल हुए. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, सिम्टम ऑफ विच न्यूट्रिएंट डिफिशियंसी appears first on older leaves and then advances up to stream to younger leaves. So older leaves, through that stem, from that stem young leaves. कौन से डिसीज में होता है ये, या फिर which is the this symptom it's seen in which nutrient deficiency disease? Nitrogen deficiency, phosphorus deficiency, potassium, magnesium and calcium. Yesterday only I had revised you the plant leaf deficiency diseases. So now you can answer it very, very easily. So the answer here is actually nitrogen deficiency. I already told you nitrogen deficiency is associated first with older leaves. Associated first with older leaves. After that, okay, this, of course, your older leaves, after they get affected, stem gets affected, and after that your younger leaves get affected. Okay, older leaves, their discoloration happens. Apart from that, curling or wilting of the leaves also occurs. This is what nitrogen deficiency causes in plants. Spongy tissue is very serious problem of which of the following mango cultivar? Spongy tissue. Okay, spongy tissue. Totapuri, Langda, Maida, Alfonso and Chausa. So this is a question which has been repeated in Haryana, Himachal Pradesh ADO also, as well as your AFO, so it has been there only. Okay, but it has come from ADO then into AFO. The answer here is Alfonso. That is very correct. In Alfonso mango, you can see spongy tissue is a serious problem for such cultivar. Next, barium carbonate and aluminum phosphate are generally used in, already yesterday we had discussed about it. Herbicide we know, fungicide we know, fumigant we know, avicide and rodenticide. This is what the discussion we did yesterday. Rodenticide is for rodents like rats. Avicide is for mites. So the answer here would be rodents only. Barium carbonate is generally used for killing your rats. So here's a example. Barium carbonate and aluminum phosphate is used. Next, Kabuli Chamatkar and Uday are chickpea varieties from which of the location? Bihar, Haryana, MP, Rajasthan and Punjab. So Kabuli Chamatkar, I think you can give the answer here. Uday, Kabuli Chamatkar are the varieties. Here two regions can be confusing for all of you. Either it can be Haryana or either it can be Bihar. Okay, rest of the regions we can definitely eliminate. So the answer here is Haryana only. Okay, correct answer, Haryana. This is your Kabuli Chamatkar which I have shown in the pic. Next, last question. The National Academy of Agricultural Research and Management, which this institution is, how it is called? Manage. An important institution related to agricultural extension. Okay, so this is located at which location? Jodhpur, Hyderabad, Pune, Lucknow, Kurukshetra. The answer is very easy. It's in Hyderabad. Okay, so here we end our lecture. So thank you very much and see you next time. Almost we have covered all of the questions. Okay, so tomorrow we will come with the live test. So don't miss on that. Live test tomorrow at 6 PM. भूलना मत, जरूर आना, ठीक है? And 6-month government schemes already uploaded on the channel. You can go and watch. Other than that, yes, I'll come up with 6-month current affairs also, and we will come with an exclusive video for all the prelims topic coverage. Okay, for all the mains topic coverage. Okay, so what are the agricultural topics to cover? We'll do an exclusive video on it, in which I'll come up with various aspects also. Let it take 2 hours or 3 hours, but we will cover all the important chapters. This video we will take through slides also, and one we will take for Tamil Nadu Agricultural University also. We will try to revise TNAU also before the exam. So thank you very much and see you next time. Okay.